Very good. Like ni Daddy na ano, popcorn. This one, popcorn. Cook mo, cook. Hanap tayo lagayan. Hanap tayo lagayan. Walang lagayan. Walang lagayan. Excuse po, hanap natin kung may lagayan. Walang lagayan. Bugs. Laglag. Good? Are you good? Apo. Bugs. Bugs. Yeah. Lagay mo yung ano, yung chicken. Yung chicken. Lagay mo, ayun din, oh. Put mo yan, ayun yung chicken. Lagay mo doon, lalagay mo dito, sa box. Like this, oh. Look, lagay mo sa box. Hindi yan gagana, eh. Yung chicken lang, chicken. Ayun, yung chicken, lagay mo sa box. Dito. Yung chicken. Lagay mo doon. Yung ano pa, yung bread. Yung bread. Ay, wala. Yung donut. Yung ano, yung pork. Yung pork. Pork. Yan. Steak pala, steak.
Ayan yun!
Apo. Babayad na si Daddy. Wait mo mag-loading. Bayad si Daddy. Pipindot mo dito, ah. May pipindot ka dyan. Wait mo dyan, wait. Pindot mo. Pindot. Okay na. Okay. Very good, ba? Good job. Go. Jump. Very good. Kabila, sa kabila. Come. Faye, look, come. Faye, look. Ayun, si Mami. Give mo kay Mami. Nandun. Sa slide. Give mo kay Mami to. Give mo kay Mami. Sa slide. Nasa slide si Mami. Dun, ayun, dun.
Ipit mo ako? Dad, malakas kayo ulan. Totoo yung hulog.
Totoo ba?
Totoo.
Nasaan na yun? Ayun. Nasa ano kasi tayo? Nasa 5th floor. Kavinig. Di pa naliligo si Ariel? Hindi pa siya naliligo? Kasi dumi pa yung makeup. 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. One more. Okay. Hello.
What's the bottom of the deep blue sea? A seahorse. A sailor went to sea. Daddy! Daddy!
Gulat ka?
Jellyfish. A sailor went to sea to see what she could see. But all that she could see was a jellyfish swimming in a seahorse swimming in the sea. Turtle. A sailor went to sea to see what she could see. But all that she could see was a turtle swimming and a jellyfish swimming and a seahorse swimming in the sea. An octopus. A sailor went to sea
Ah. Ha? Hanap mo ako? Ha? Kita dito eh. Kita ka ni Daddy dito. Dito ka nakita ni Daddy o doon, no? Kita ka ni Daddy dyan, no? Doon. Hanap mo si Daddy.
A baby shark. A sailor went to sea
Go. Ako.
Oh, go.
But all that she could see was a baby shark swimming and an octopus swimming and a turtle swimming and a
Very good.
seahorse swimming.
Ita amula. Ita amula.
Apo, hindi dulas. Oh, slide tayo, dali. Slide tayo. Look si Daddy, look si Daddy. Daddy. Look si Daddy. Slide. Higa, higa. Ah! One. Two. Push, push. Whee! Happy? Baliktad? Baliktad ka? Nge! 1, 2, 3, go! Whee! Toink! Grocery si Ate Kay. Dali, dala ka din, get ka din ng grocery. Give mo grocery si Ate Kay. Ayaw mo? Diyan ka? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay po. Kaya mo, kaya. Yeah, very good. Look si Daddy, look si Daddy. Move ka, move. Look si Daddy, look. Apa, very good. Ano ka? Big? Paano? Gaano big? Paano yung big? Big. Up natin yung ball. Tag mo si Ate Kay. Yan, Ate Kay. Ate Kay, look mo. Ate Kay, look mo. Come, dali. Go ka sa slide. Wait, baby, come here. Ikaw mag-push, Come. 2, 3. Ah. si Daddy. Whee! Hi. Tanggal socks. Bonus nose. Ew. Hey, ganda, jump. Ganda, Daddy. Baby, jump.
Si Daddy. Tata ko nga rin.
Ay, ganda, jump, ganda, Daddy.
Now there are 3 green speckled balls.
Hey, tumbling. Toink. Tumbling, baby pay. Dogs. Dogs, bagsak.
Delicious bugs, yum, yum.
Dogs.
Where it was nice and cool. Now there are 2 green speckled balls.
Nye, nye. Toink. Tumbling. Tumbling, baby pay, go. Tumbling, tumbling. Sa kabila ka, Ate Kay. Kabila ka, para hindi siya bounce. Shoot. Nye. Tumbling, baby pay. Dogs. Dogs. Dogs.
One little speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating some
Nye.
One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are no green speckled frogs.
Nye. Eh, shoot mo. Shoot! Pepe. Yay! Tumbling, tumbling. Toink. Toink. Nice.
Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Dog. Si Daddy, si Daddy. Si Daddy. Hindi na kayo makatayo.
guys.
Lubog, lubog. Lubog tayo, lubog. Ah! Ah! Ah, saks ni Bebe Pay. Yeah. Wala na. Lubog na si Ate Kay. Ah, patay na. Rescue mo si Ate Kay. Rescue mo. Help mo, help. Help mo si Ate Kay. Help mo si Ate Kay. Where are you going? Ha? Oh, help si Ate Kay. Help. Help. Yay, buhay na. Wala yan, di yan gana dyan. No, hindi siya gana dyan. Oh, hindi siya gumagana dyan. Siso. Siso. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Ah, yeah. Yeah. Go, go, go. Tawid, tawid. Lapit na. Ayun. Ah, lubog. Wala na. Wala na si Ate Kay. Hey, where are you? Hanap mo, nasan? Ate Kay, where are you? Hanap mo, dali. Bebe. Hanap natin si Ate Kay. Hanap natin si Ate Kay. Come, come. Hanap natin. Ayun, ayun. Nge. Wala. Pagod na si Ate Kay. Pagod na. Go home na. Kanta ka.
Ladybug, ladybug.
Ano name nun? Nung ladybug na superhero?
Ladybug, ladybug.
Hindi kalimutan ni Daddy eh.
Ito naman. Tara, tignan mo ako lagi.
Umiikot pa ba yan?
Galaw mo.
Hindi na umiikot yan eh.
Galaw mo.
Nakapatay po yata eh.
Kaya, kaya.
Si Daddy. What?
May padulas dito pero
Small lang.
small lang. Pero pero punit. Punit to. Dapat hindi. Dapat kasi hindi punit eh. Dahil punta ka nga dito. Sa ilalim ng butas. Kasha, ikaw no.
Yes. Go, dun tayo dun. Tawid tayo, tawid.
Lang.
Labas na si Daddy. Ayun.
Babaya galing. Dala ko sa iba.
Ikot-ikot ko ulit. Pepe. Pepe. Hi. Slide.
Walking in the forest, walking in the forest, we're not afraid. We're not
Yun.
walking in
Bilis.
the forest, walking in the forest.
Pepe. Uy. Ikot-ikot. Ate Kay. What? Strong. What? Strong. Dugs. Pepe. Sleep na si Pepe. Naka-close eyes na yun, no? Close eyes na, oh. Ay! Nakadilat na. Hi. So, jump. Yeah. Patay. Patay na.
May ihaw na ano.
Ihaw na fish?
Dad,
Gawa tagay.
Baby bear, the morning sun is rising. Come and play.
Nag-slide na yung whale.
go!
Go! Slide ka din.
Para matulog.
Are you
Apa.
sleeping?
Dugs. Wala na si ate kay. Ayun. Look, may octopus, oh. Dayan. Octopus. Tapos, jellyfish. Tapos, baby pay. Tapos, si ate kay.
Turo mo ko.
Tapos, si mami. Go. Bagsak. What's that? Lobster. Nge. Ay, dali. Jump sabay hug. Hug mo yung ball. Jump sabay hug sa ball. 1, 2, 3, go.
To the ground to get out.
Dali. Go ka sa wheels.
The ants go marching 10 by
Sa wheels, sa wheels. Doon.
hurrah. The ants
Sabit ka dun, sabit.
10 by 10 hurrah. Hurrah. The ants go marching.
Hindi ka natakot? Hindi natakot?
Little one stops to shout the end.
Hindi ka na scared? Hindi na?
Ako, di na.
Strong na? Strong? Paano strong? Paano yung brave? Very good. Ate Kay?
Yellow, green, blue, red,
Ate Kay, where are you?
blue, red. Yellow, green, blue, red, yellow, green, blue, red, yellow, green,
Blue.
red is the color of an apple. Yellow is the color of the sun. Green is the color of a four-leaf clover.
Bush.
And blue is the color of the sky
Ay, si Mami.
above. That she could see was a seahorse swimming in the sea.
1 hour na lang, ha? 1 hour na lang, go home na. Malapit na tayo mag-time. 3 hours lang tayo, okay? Yeah, ikot-ikot. 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 Boink. Ayan. Shoot!
A baby shark. A sailor went to see what she could
Hey, Louie, hindi ka nahilo? Nahilo ka niyan. Uy! Oh, hilo na, hilo. Dizzy na, dizzy. Yeah.
blue whale. A sailor went
Bagsak.
to see what she could see.
Jump.
She could see. Was a blue whale swimming and a baby shark swimming and an octopus swimming and a turtle swimming and a jellyfish swimming and a sea. See.
No. Piano. TikTokeris. Gagawa sila ng ng ibabagsak nila. Hi! Napasakay tayo.
Kaya ko dito.
Hi! Baby shark. Hey, baby shark.
Mama shark.
Pepe. Flying kiss. Pepe. Flying kiss. Hey, flying kiss. Pepe, flying kiss. Flying kiss. Hey, flying kiss na, flying kiss. Flying kiss. Ay, ikot, Pepe. Ah, laglag. Si Pepe. Ah. Alay. Thanks. Ah. Sandal ka. Sa sa shark ka humawak. Yan. Sa dolphin. 3, 4, 5. Caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow. Go home na? Happy? Say thank you to mommy.
Let's go!
Bebe Pay. Go home na? Go home na? Say thank you to mommy. Very good.